I'm going to show you how to highlight the active row in Microsoft Excel. So all we do is select the data, go to Conditional Formatting and click New Rule. Click on the bottom one and type this: equals row, open and close bracket, equal cell, and then open bracket and speech mark row, speech mark, close bracket. Click on Format, go to Fill, and I'm going to select the green, press OK, and OK again. Then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to View Code. I'll just drag this over so you can see. So then I'm going to select Worksheet, and then I'm going to type range, and then open bracket, speech mark A1, close bracket, dot calculate, and then I'm going to close that, and then when I select my cells, as you can see, it highlights the active cell. So that's how you do that. I hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.